Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we will be discussing how to evaluate this question. If f prime of x equals to sine x and f of pi equals to 3, then f of x equals to something. So we have a couple of choices here. We have 4 plus cosine x, 3 plus cosine x, 2 minus cosine x, and 4 minus cosine x. So in this question, it asks us to figure out what is f of x, and they're giving us f prime. So we need to use a little bit of an integral. So let's go and try to set that up. So we need to integrate our sine x. So we need to write down sine x dx. Okay. So in here, when we're evaluating this integral, you don't need any upper bounds or lower bounds. All you have to do is just evaluate sine x, evaluate the integral of sine x. So let's try to remember that the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. So if that were the case, then evaluating the integral of sine x would equal to negative cosine x plus c. All indefinite integrals must have a plus c. Okay, so here we have f of x equals to negative cosine x plus c. Now, it tells you a little bit of a clue. It tells you that f of pi equals to 3. So if we plug in pi, okay, into our x, we're going to get 3. So here's what we're going to do. F of pi, okay, equals to negative cosine pi plus, oh, not plus 3, plus c. Okay, sorry about that. So here we can substitute this for 3 equals to negative cosine pi plus c. Now we need to use a little bit of a knowledge from the unit circle. So we can say cosine of pi is negative 1. So we have 3 equals to negative 1 plus c. Okay. Negative times negative 1 is positive 1 plus c equals to 3. Let's subtract 1 from both sides. Okay. And now we know what c is. C equals to 2. Okay. Once we figure out that c equals to 2, we can plug this back into our f of x. So our f of x equals to negative cosine x plus 2. Okay, let's take a look if that is one of our choices. So 2 minus cosine x is just a rewritten form of negative cosine x plus 2. So let's go and rewrite that. Okay. So we have f of x equals to 2 minus cosine x. Okay. So our answer here is C. Hope that helped. And feel free to leave any suggestions on what topic I should cover next. And I'll see you in the next video.